Hi, so today we're going to be talking all about prime numbers. First, I'm going to cover what exactly a prime number is, and then some rules to find out which numbers are not prime, and therefore that will help you find out which numbers are prime. So, a prime number is just a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. It is a whole number, which is also called an integer, that is greater than 1. So an example of a prime could be something like 3. Because 3 can only be divisible in terms of whole numbers by 1 and 3. It has no other factors that go into it. So if we're just going to list the prime numbers between 1 and 10, 1 would not be a prime number because it only has one factor, which is itself 1. The first one would be 2. We'd have 3, 5, and 7. We wouldn't have 9 because 9 is divisible by 3, 9, and 1. And prime numbers must have only 2 factors. So between 11 and 20, the prime numbers would be 11, 13, 17, and 19. 15 would not be a prime because 1, 3, 5, and 15 go into it. That is more than 2 factors. The prime numbers between 21 or 20 and 30 would be 23 and 29. 25 is divisible by 5, and 27 is divisible by 3 and 9. Between 30 and 39, it would be 31. Between 30 and 39, it would be 31, 37, and that's all. Between 40 and 49, you would have 41, 43, and 47. Between 50 and 59, you'd have 53 and 59. 51 is divisible by 3 and 17. 57 is divisible by 3 and 19. Between 60 and 69, you would have 61 and 67. 63 is divisible by 3. 65 is divisible by 5. 69 is divisible by 3. And 23. Between 70 and 79, you'd have 71, 73, and 79. Between 80 and 89, you'd have 83, and 89. Between 90 and 99, you'd have 97, and that's all. So altogether, we found 25 prime numbers. So that's the list of prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now, are there any ways to remember which numbers are not prime? So the first rule is it can't end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. The exception being the number 2. All of the even numbers are not prime. Other rules, it cannot end in a 5 because if it ends in a 5, it is divisible by 5, the exception being the number 5. Another rule is it cannot be a multiple of 3, excluding the number 3. So we can do that by, for example, counting from 0 in upwards in 3s. And we can do that going from 0, going down from 30, going up from 30, going down from 60, going up from 60, going down from 90, etc. So we count upwards, e.g. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Other than 3, these would not be prime. Or from 30, for example, we could have 30, 33, 36, 39, etc. These would not be prime. Or for, let's say, from 90, we could have 90, 87, 84, 81. These would not be prime. A fourth rule could be that you can't have two numbers which are the same digit, the exception being the number 11. So anything like 33, 55, 77, 66, none of these can be prime. So today we've covered how to find out which numbers are prime between 1 and 100. There are 25 prime numbers in total, and here are 4 rules to help you distinguish which numbers are prime and not prime. If you have any questions or video ideas, leave them down below.